Okay, you're on.
Hi, Nanny.
Papa Mark.
Papa Mark.
What are you going to say to them?
I love you.
Yeah, but stop moving. What else do you have to say?
Nothing.
Blow him a kiss.
Look at this way.
Okay, you're on. You show Nani your sleeping mess. Okay, can you say hi, Nani?
Hi, Nani.
And Papa Mark.
Hi, Papa Mark.
I love and miss you. What else do you have to say to them?
Nothing else.
Not I love you and I miss you.
I love you. I miss you. Can I see them? Where are they?
Well, Mommy's gonna send this video through to them so they could watch you.
Watch me what?
What you're doing now. You want to sing a song or something for them?
No.
Blow them a kiss? It's a beautiful smile. That's going to make them happy. Say love and miss you.
I want to see.
Say bye-bye. You say bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Love you.
Love you.
Okay, Caitlin, you're on camera. You say hi?
Hi. Bye-bye. Hey.
Well, you have anything you want to say to Dottie and Papa Mark?
Yeah.
What do you want to say?
Hi.
You want to say hi?
Yeah, say I love you.
Aw, that was very sweet. You miss Nani and Papa Mark?
Kiki.
Look at those pretty blue eyes. Okay, stay still.
I see them.
Okay, hold on. You're getting too close to the camera. No. I got to video you. You guys show. Oh yeah, show them your new glasses. Put your new glasses on.
Kiki.
There's Kate's hip new glasses.
Can I see?
Not right now. Hold on. I'll show you the video when we're done. Okay, can you blow him a big old kiss and say I love and miss you?
Mwah.
Mwah. Oh.
Now can I see?
Say love and miss you.
I really miss you. Peekaboo.
Allie, say peekaboo.
Peekaboo.
Allie, say peekaboo.
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 What are you doing? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Can you say backpack? Can you say mommy?
Baby.
Oh, baby?
Baby.
Yeah, baby.
Video.
Where are you going? Look at that pretty girl. Allie, what you doing? You say love you?
Love you. Bye. Bye-bye.
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 Bye-bye. Can you blow a kiss? Can you go mwah?
Bye.